Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going to draw and tell you all about Titoo, an Indian animated series. Titoo lives in a small family with his father, mother, and his brother, whom he affectionately calls Golu Bhaiya. He studies at Blue City International School, where he often brings smart ideas to solve problems that arise. His contributions have earned him a good reputation with his principal. Among his friends in the apartment, Titoo has a rivalry with Jawaab, who is of the same age and often challenges Titoo in various situations. However, at the end of the day, it's always Titoo who comes out on top. Titoo and his brother Golu make the best team when it comes to solving problems and helping others. As the older and stronger brother, Golu supports Titoo's ideas and together they tackle various activities effectively. Titoo is an 8-year-old boy who loves to boast about being Titoo the Great. But here's the funny thing, he doesn't really do much himself. Instead of doing his own chores, he finds them boring and prefers to meddle in other people's business. Titoo has a big heart and loves to help, but only when it's not about his homework. For example, if someone complains that there's no water in the tap, Titoo might suggest they skip their bath. If there's no water to drink, he'll cheerfully recommend a cold drink instead. And if there are mice in the house, Titoo will bring in a cat, but if the cat causes trouble, he might just decide to get a dog. And if the dog doesn't work out, he'll even think about getting a fox, and maybe a tiger if needed. No matter what, Titoo never gives up. While most parents dream of their kids becoming scientists, doctors, or engineers, Titoo's parents are puzzled. Titoo has declared he wants to be something no one has ever imagined. Titoo is a vibrant comedy animated series produced by Cosmos Maya and launched on Pogo, a popular kids entertainment channel in India. Premiering in 2020, the show quickly captured the hearts of young audiences with its engaging storytelling and colorful animation. The series follows the adventures of Titoo, a lively and imaginative character who embarks on fun-filled escapades alongside his friends. Each episode is packed with humor, creativity, and valuable life lessons, making it both entertaining and educational. The relatable themes resonate with children, encouraging friendship, problem-solving, and teamwork. Titoo stands out not only for its captivating characters and plots but also for its high-quality production values. The animation is visually stunning, featuring bright colors and dynamic scenes that draw kids in. The witty dialogue and humorous situations keep viewers laughing, ensuring that it has become one of the most beloved programs among children in India. The Hindi caption of Titoo, Har Jawaab Ka Sawal Hai translates to "Every answer has a question." This phrase captures the essence of curiosity and exploration that the show embodies, inviting viewers to think critically and engage with the world around them. Hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.